Here I have the Lean, Mean, Fat Reducing Grilling Machine by George Foreman. The original George Foreman grill. Did you have one of these? Do you know what year these came out? Think about it for a minute. And then I'll tell you. I'm going to plug it in. Today I'm going to make jumbo ballpark beef franks. Did you ever make big hot dogs in George Foreman? Lean, Mean, Fat Reducing Grilling Machine. Let me warm this up. Oh, 1994. 26 years ago. I would have thought the 80s. And George Foreman didn't invent it. No, he didn't. In fact, there's a rumor they first asked Hulk Hogan to do it. The Hulk Hogan grilling machine! Can you imagine that? So he turned it down, is what I read. George Foreman said, I'd do it. It was invented by Michael Bohem and Robert Johnson. So George Foreman didn't invent it, but he made a lot of money off of it. He was getting 40% per unit, they said. Whew. And the maximum he was earning was $4.5 million a month for a while selling these. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna spray it with Pam. I don't know if you have to, but I'm going to. Looks non-stick. We used to put sandwiches in here, hamburgers. You remember? Do you still have one? Ballpark. Think they're gonna plump? 100% beef. Ready? Ooh, I hear a little sizzle. Do you hear a little sizzle? Yeah, you hear a little sizzle. That's nice that it's going to have lines this way and it has the little teeth there that hold it in so they don't roll off since it's downhill, because the fat rolls down like that. I like to put my slits in there though, if you remember. But that's the hot dog catcher. That's what that's for. Ooh, the juice is dripping already. Look at that. Is there fat in hot dogs? Oh, let's close the lid. Look. Both sides at the same time. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Get back up in there. You get on top, all right? You don't want to be on the bottom. Oh, get out of there. Oh, all right. 4 hot dogs. 4 jumbo hot dogs. That's plenty. What do you think? No peeking. Okay, well, this gets ready for, I don't know how long it's going to take. Let's see, what time is it? 6:43. The light usually goes off when it's ready, but I'm going to see how long it takes and how done they are, okay? Be right back. Let me get my buns ready. I forgot I had this old-fashioned onion chopper, too. Boy, them hot dogs smell good. Remember this? Let me just all this. Put them in there. Chop them up. All right, chop these up. My buns. Oh, you want cheese on yours, huh? You're gonna have one of these?
Yeah.
They got one extra. I thought 5 would fit in there. Boy, that smells good. It sounds good.
Hey, did you know we got some mail today?
What kind of mail?
Package for you.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. It's for me. What is it? Can you send it to me? It's a shirt. Whoa. Oh. Let me try this on quick.
Wow.
I'm a quick change artist. Oh, it's warm. It's like a warm hug. Vehicle Visionary on YouTube. This is my friend Tom's channel. You gotta check it out. If you like cars, if you like anything about cars, he's reviewing, test driving, and teaching about a lot of different cars, SUVs, pickup trucks. I was watching once and he had a Ram on there. I said, boy, I would like that new model, you know, because I have a Ram. But I really wanted a Cadillac CT6. And the next time, he got a Cadillac CT6 on there. So whatever car you're interested in, check out Vehicle Visionary and subscribe to him on YouTube. He's real entertaining and professional and good production. Check it out. My buddy Tom. Vehicle Visionary. Thanks, Tom. I guess you sent this to me, huh? Yeah. Well, I'm wearing it. Check him out. Subscribe to him. Oh. Okay, what else do we need? What time is it? Should I try to let that light go out? Or I don't want it to burn. Should I take a peek?
Take a peek. Do you want to roll them over a little
Can you
bit?
see? Well, they're cooking on the top and the bottom, remember?
That's the side.
Oh, look at the guys in the back. You go this way, you go this way. Oh! The ones in the back get browner quicker, I see. I bet you George Foreman didn't even put hot dogs on there, did you, George? Maybe he did. Used to make good grilled cheese on there, too. Pork chops. Put pork chops on there way back. Steak. I remember. Yeah, when I had a little apartment, me and my little girl Julie put some steaks on there. Excellent. It smells so good. How did you forget about the George Foreman grill? Now they have all kinds. They have stand-up ones. So many different models. Alright, the light didn't go off yet, but I'd say they're done. And I like them a little charred like that, if you can see it. Can you see it all right? I like it. I do. You know I like my hot dogs like that. You could have stopped it sooner. I don't think they plumped. A little bit of onion. Nice pickle. I dropped your fork. Horseradish mustard. You like it? My first George Foreman lean mean fat reducing grilling machine hot dog. All beef. Look at this. Some people put tomatoes on the hot dogs, Chicago style. Dice them up and put them on there. Lettuce and tomato. Come on. You still sizzling? Oops, I stepped on my mic cord, so I'm going to have to narrate the rest of this. You like your hot dog a little dark? Yeah, I don't mind. Oh, these smell so good. Crispy and crunchy. There it is. Take a bite. Smells so good. George Foreman hot dog. Crunch. Boy, that's good. You gotta try this. It's hot too. Chewy, chew, chew, chew. Wait a minute. I want to ask you something. Hold on. I wanted to ask you if you would like to see me eat this 9-patty cheeseburger. You might remember I ate this 2 or 3 times before, but I really love it. It's from Jake's Wayback Burgers. 9 patties. You probably saw me eat it before. I'm sorry, I'm narrating this. I forget what I said, but I'm asking you, do you want to see me eat this big cheeseburger? I love it so much, and it's so tender, and goes down so easy. And the bag is so greasy. Ooh, how do you like that, Tom? Yeah, should I? You want me to eat one? They're so good. So let me know if you want me to eat one of these. Let me take another bite of this hot dog. You want one? Oh, you want cheese on yours, huh? Yeah. Take another bite. La la la. Read my lips. What am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying. I'm saying all kinds of stuff. Talk about the weather. I don't know. So don't forget to visit Vehicle Visionary. I'll put a link down there in the description. Thanks again for sending me the shirt, Tom. I love it. Keep eating this hot dog. You gotta try this on your George Foreman grill. Hey, see ya. Take it easy. Goodbye.